Hello, in this video we are going to talk about synthetic division. Alright, the first thing we have to do is solve 3x squared plus 6x plus 6 divided by x plus 3. The problem's already sort of set up for you, you just need to put the numbers in the right spots. There's actually one sort of error here. Let me see if I can fix it quick. We have one too many boxes. But essentially, when you do this, you're going to take each of those numbers out front. So I see we have a 3x squared, we have a 6x, and we have a 16, and you're going to rewrite them 3, 6, 16 in a row. You have this little box over here. This is called your house. In the house, you want to put the opposite of whatever this number is. So that's a positive 3, so in my house, I'm going to put negative 3. All right, and then to divide, we have to start by bringing down that first number. So 3 comes down. Then we're going to multiply it by whatever's in the house. So I'm going to do times negative 3. And when I do 3 times negative 3, I get 9. And when I get that answer, it's going to go right here. So we're going to go ahead and put negative 9 there. Your next step is going to be to add those numbers together and then rewrite your answer down below. So if I do 6 minus 9, I get negative 3. And then we're going to repeat our process. So we're going to multiply by that number in the house times negative 3. When I do that, 3 times negative 3, my answer is going to go here. I get positive 9. And again, we're going to add. So we're going to do 16 plus 9, which would give me 25. And that's going to be my final number here. Now, we sort of did our division already. We just need to rewrite our answer. When I rewrite it, these are going to be my coefficients, but each of my degrees is going to go down by 1. So notice up at the top, we started with x squared. So we want our exponent to go down by 1. So really, we're going to have 3x. And then notice that my second term had just x. So if I go down by 1, we won't have any more x's, so it's just going to be minus 3. So my final answer is going to be 3x minus 3. And then this number here is our remainder. And we're going to write a remainder as our fraction. So we're going to do plus 25, and then divided by whatever we were dividing by. So x plus 3. And this would be your final answer for your division problem. All right, for my next problem, we are doing the same thing. We have x squared minus 3x minus 10 divided by x minus 6. Remember, in my house over here, we're going to put the opposite of this number. So the opposite of negative 6 would be a positive 6. And then we need to put each of our exponents, or each of our coefficients, excuse me. If I notice we have x squared minus 3x minus 10. Remember, in front of that x squared, you actually have a sneaky little 1. So there is like a 1 right here. And so if I'm putting my coefficients down, my first one is 1. The second is negative 3. Make sure you take the sign with it. And the last one's negative 10. So we have 1, negative 3, negative 10. Remember, the first thing you're going to do is just bring 1 down. And then we have to multiply that by the number in our house. So we're doing 1 times 6. And that answer is 6. It's going to go right here. We're going to add these. Negative 3 plus 6 would give me a positive 3. We're going to multiply by the number in the house again. So times 6. 3 times 6 gives me 18. We're going to add again. Negative 10 plus 18 gives me a positive 8. And then we have to rewrite our answer. Remember, when I rewrite it, each of my exponents will go down by 1. So we'll start out with 1x plus 3. Again, I know it's 1x because we had x squared to begin with. If I go down 1, we just have x to the power of 1. Our next term only had an x, so that sort of goes away. And then my remainder is going to be plus 8 divided by x minus 6. Again, your remainder is always going to be a fraction. It's whatever's in that last spot goes on top, and then whatever you were dividing by goes on bottom. All right. Hopefully you filled out your IMB. We do have one more video about synthetic division after this. Go ahead and watch that. And thanks for watching.